Hello and welcome back to Irish Chippy channel. My name is Pascal. Today I am going to review this voice recorder. It's a Tascam DR-05X. If you like this video or any of our other videos, please subscribe and click the notification bell. The 07X can be the same review. The difference between that is you can turn these inputs, these mics on the front, you can turn them in a different direction, and you cannot do that with the 05. The Tascam is a tough, it's been around for a while. Tascam are making recorders. This one would be, I use this one for making videos mostly through a lavalier, and it's tough because I'm in the workshop all the time. It's a lot bigger than most of the other ones. The inside of this, they have two main boards inside, and a digital and an analog inside in it. It takes two batteries, AA, and they say it lasts for 17 hours recording. I don't think it even lasts 17 hours. It'll probably only last about 14 hours. It's got so many features that you don't get in all the other ones. This is really a dictaphone one. You can slow down the speed, you can make marks, and you can do some of that with the other, the Sony. I will be comparing it to the Sony later on, but it's truly a professional one. People use this for, recording guitars and sequences and that, because there's so many different settings. It's PCM as well. There's MP3, you can use MP3 on it as well. But most serious people will be using PCM, linear PCM. The biggest mistake most people make is that they say they can't connect it up to a computer. In 9 times out of 10, I think, or more, they are not reading the instructions. When you plug this in with a USB to your computer, the unit needs to be turned off. And then when you plug it in, when you turn on the unit, then you're given the option, and you scroll down one and press play, and then you're into the card. Because it's going direct to the card anyway. It's very simple. So once you go into that mode, it's the very same as plugging the card into your PC. This one doesn't record without a card. So some of the others have built-in memory. This doesn't. It can take it just takes a micro SD, and a micro SD. I have a 32 gigabyte one there. That'll last for many. I'm not sure the exact numbers. You can see the spec there yourself. When you turn it on, you hold in the on button. I think you can change the color of the screen as well in it. I am not sure. And when you want to record, you press record first. When you press it first, then you get a test. So while I'm in this pause mode, I can use this button here to change the input level. What I usually do is I talk really loud. It depends on whether you're using an external mic or not. But you don't want the peak light coming on. So say I turn it up really high here like this. And then I talk loud, the peak comes up. So I would tame it back. I tame it back on the lavalier under about 40%. It gives you the number here. Sound quality. I will do a recording with this one in different scenarios. I will do one in here in the workshop, and I will do one outside in the noisy road with a lavalier, and I will go down on the beach and I will do a recording there. So here I am on the road with the recording through the lavalier. It's lunchtime and there's lots and lots of traffic going by here, and it's just after having a rain shower. And let's see what the sound sounds like from here in a very noisy background. Of course I'm using the lavalier. You wouldn't be even able to hear my voice because I am approximately, I'm 20 foot from the camera, or a little bit more than 20 foot from the camera, which is 6 meters. So now I'm down here on the beach. It's fairly quiet down here. There's nothing. You can see someone out there fishing. There's a wind behind me here. The lavalier won't pick up the wind. I don't think so anyway. And so this is the sort of sound you would expect when you're speaking at a normal thing in a reasonably quiet background. There's a rooster down there making noise, and it's generally fairly quiet here, and just a nice cool breeze on my back here today. It's not too hot today for a change. There you saw the sound checks that I done. Well, I'm running on it now on the Tascam now. They're the sound checks I done down out on the road and things, so you can see how you think it is. How does it sound through the? This is a cheap lavalier. This is a $10 lavalier. And there's a big fan down here running at the moment as well. So the Tascam is yes. Conclusion. This is a tough nut. This one. I would highly recommend this one for anyone making videos. The disadvantages is plugging it in and having to turn it off before you plug it in and then turn it on again. But you have to do that with some cameras nowadays as well. And it works with Windows 10 and Windows 7, everything. What do I not like about it? I think the batteries, it uses a lot of batteries, but it's a higher power. It's a high power unit, and it's a lot louder to listen to. So yes, do I recommend it? I surely do recommend it, because I'm using it for over a year. I've made about 50 videos, and that might have included different clips, possibly 200, 300 clips already with this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.